Introducing the future of luxury driving, the 2025 Volvo XC90 T8. With a sleek black exterior, this powerful 2-litre petrol/electric engine delivers a seamless, automatic driving experience. Packed with comfort and safety features including ambient lighting, 360 view camera, and collision avoidance braking, this estate vehicle ensures a smooth and secure journey every time. From its luxurious interior to its advanced security systems, the XC90 T8 provides everything you need and more. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to experience excellence behind the wheel? Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive the future today.